Hi everyone, this is Dennis here from Investment Mastery. I wanted to give you a market update of what is happening kind of in the overall market and what we're seeing at the moment. So, first of all, there's a few things, there's a few bases to cover today, but one thing is really do not panic, right? It's just a case of what I think is that the institutions are buying now as the price goes down, but a lot of the smaller investors like you and me, right, we are panicking or a lot they are, I should say, right? So in this update, I kind of just want to give you, value, kind of what to avoid and look out for, but I'm not, but also how to handle the situation, right? There's a few things. The first thing is really the most important thing we have in these times is really to take care of your family, be healthy, but also look over your finances, obviously. So I would not panic. The market, I'm pretty sure it will come back, and here's some reasons why. Now they've come out with a stimulus package, so Trump and the administration, and they will actually inject a couple of trillions into the market to stabilize the financial situation. What's very interesting with this situation we're in at the moment is really that if we take a look at the Dow Jones, this is the 30 biggest companies in the US, and the market has never fallen this deeply ever. So even if you look back in the 1980s, or the crash then, or even before that, the market has never fallen this deeply in this short amount of time. So what does that mean? Well, the faster something goes down, the faster it also goes up. All right, it's just so important to understand. And I know it's terrifying to look at this, but the world is not gonna end. Everything that goes down also goes back up if you invest in something safe that cannot go to zero. So there's a few things I want to discuss then. So what could you avoid, right? We are in a situation where we're seeing, the coronavirus and yeah, the certain countries are under lockdown. So one thing you could do and one thing you should do is to avoid investing in companies that are affected by this. So if you're investing, maybe avoid cruise liners, avoid airlines, restaurants potentially, unless you go outside and actually support them to eat there. But then rather focus on investing in precious metals, right? Get into cryptocurrencies. And not least, also, I would definitely look at companies such as that will benefit and flourish. Like, what are people doing now? Watching Netflix, right? They're getting, doing online shopping. They're buying food online even. So look into these type of companies instead. So could this go lower? Certainly it can. Could it also go higher? Yes, it certainly can. We don't know. So you need to have a strategy first and foremost as well. So when you have chosen the companies, use a strategy that it's known as the dollar cost averaging, pound cost averaging. That's a great strategy. We use better strategies and more advanced strategies, but they're definitely good enough, right? In many senses, that it's way better to do that than just throw money into the market. What you can do instead is to invest a small amount every month in order to get a good average price. Because what most people did, they invested up here, right? They just throw the money into the market and hope for the best. But what you could do is every month you invest, let's say £100, £100, £100, £100, and £100, right? So you do it every month, and now this is not every month, is it? So it's every week pretty much. But then you would get, so if you did it back here as well, right, you get a good average price instead of just investing everything and then hope for the best, right? Very important. So use a strategy. And then, I don't know if any one of you know Warren Buffett, one of the world's most famous investors. So then look at the fear and greed index, right? Most people are extremely fearful at the moment. This is just what emotion is driving the market now. So a lot of people are scared, and I understand that people are scared. And as long as you have a strategy, you have nothing to be afraid of. So just remember this, right? When you buy companies, we can look at Disney, right? It's probably never going to go to zero. But who knows? But when it's falling this much, It's on sale, right? Isn't it? It's on sale. You can actually buy very good companies at very big discounts, right? Very big discounts. So it's just such a good opportunity to get into companies to get into companies that are very good, right? Like when you buy a sweater or you buy something, it's if it's half price, don't you want to buy? But with the stock market, people are scared instead. So don't sell. I would not panic. Just make sure you do your research on the companies, and we are here for you. If you need support, give us a call, right? Give us a call. You can send me an email, DM us directly, press somewhere around here for if you want to get in contact with us. We are here to support you. We have been trading and investing for 13 years, and Marcus has been through three of these, right? So it's nothing to be scared of, nothing to be afraid of. Just make sure that you use a strategy, right, and learn how. Please put the time down to learn how. But the market is fearful. You have a little market update there, what's happening in the market. I will send out more of these, so be on the lookout for these updates. Okay. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Okay. Please comment below. Well, how is this affecting you? What's going on? How can we support you? So have a wonderful day, everyone, and I hope we'll speak soon.